Turn your mobile gaming passion into profit on Twitch Mobile. Discover the secret to monetizing your streams. Your smartphone could be the key to unlock a treasure trove of earnings. Welcome to Digital Earnings Expert. Today, we're venturing into the profitable realms of Twitch Mobile. Stick around till the end. The insights shared are bound to redefine your streaming game. Twitch has become synonymous with live streaming, especially in the gaming community. But did you know that Twitch isn't just a playground for desktop and console gamers? Welcome to the world of Twitch Mobile, where your smartphone is your ticket to monetizing your passion. Kickstart your journey by getting the Twitch app on your smartphone. Once you've created your Twitch account, doll up your profile with a catchy bio, a snazzy profile picture, and engaging panels that talk about you, your content, and the ways viewers can support you. Now let's talk about standing out in the Twitch Mobile crowd. It all boils down to finding your niche. Whether it's mobile gaming, app reviews, or other mobile-centric content, carve out a space that resonates with your audience. Consistency is your best friend when it comes to content strategy. Regular streams, captivating titles, and eye-catching thumbnails are your allies in attracting more eyeballs to your channel. Engagement is the name of the game on Twitch Mobile. Your viewers are your tribe. Engage with them during live streams, answer their queries, and build a rapport. Encourage them to connect with you on other social platforms. It's about creating a community that sticks around. Let's dive into the monetization pool. Twitch has a buffet of monetization options. First up is subscriptions. Unlock the subscription button by becoming a Twitch affiliate or partner, and let your viewers support you monthly in exchange for some cool perks. Then we have Bits and Cheers, Twitch's digital currency. Encourage your audience to cheer for you with bits, and in return, offer them personalized shoutouts or channel effects. It's about creating a fun, interactive experience. Donations are a direct way for your viewers to show some love. A donation button on your profile is your viewers' gateway to supporting you financially. Appreciate the donations, no matter how big or small, it's the thought that counts. Finding clarity here. Let's keep the vision sharp. Subscribe, throw a like, and ring the bell for more vivid content. Ready to focus on more? Let's zoom back in. Growing your Twitch Mobile channel may catch the eye of sponsors. Brands love to collaborate with channels that have a dedicated viewer base. Sponsored streams or product placements are a pathway to generating income while providing value to your viewers. Merchandising is a creative avenue to monetize. Create and sell merchandise like t-shirts or mugs adorned with your channel logo or catchphrases. It's about extending your brand beyond the Twitch platform. Promoting your Twitch Mobile channel is akin to opening doors to a larger audience. Utilize platforms like YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram to shout out about your Twitch channel. It's all about creating a web of online presence to reel in more viewers. Collaboration is another key. Team up with other content creators on Twitch, orchestrate cross-promotional events, and expose your channel to new audiences. It's like hosting a party where both your communities mingle and grow. Consistency paired with quality is a recipe for success on Twitch Mobile. Have a streaming schedule and stick to it like glue. Let your viewers know when to tune in. It's about being reliable and setting a rhythm for your streams. Invest in a decent mobile setup and a sturdy internet connection. A smooth, high-quality stream is like a warm invitation for viewers to stay. No one enjoys choppy streams or poor audio quality, so ensuring a good viewer experience is paramount. Twitch Mobile is not just a platform. It's a canvas for content creators to monetize their passion. From crafting engaging content, building a loyal community, to diving into various monetization avenues, the potential to make money on Twitch Mobile is vast. Promote your channel, engage with your viewers, and keep the content flowing consistently. It's about building a realm where your viewers feel at home and you enjoy creating content. In wrapping up, Twitch Mobile is a treasure trove for those looking to monetize mobile gaming or streaming. By establishing a robust presence, delivering engaging content, and leveraging monetization strategies, the road to making money on Twitch Mobile is well within reach. Embrace the power of Twitch Mobile and turn your streaming or mobile gaming passion into a lucrative endeavor. The blend of engagement, consistency, and monetization strategies is your toolkit to thrive on Twitch Mobile. Still engaged? Your persistence is about to yield a windfall. Plunge into a free ebook, Unraveling the Quintessential Online Business to Kickstart today. But anticipate more. Post ebook, a mesmerizing 15-day challenge awaits, finely tuned for this distinct digital venture. With experienced mentors, pioneering insights, and a robust set of tools, your trajectory towards online eminence is forged. Can you feel the tingle of opportunity? Act with audacity. Slam the link in the description right now and catapult yourself towards a domain of digital prosperity. Turning the page on today's web earning story. Tried the method? Queries, anecdotes? Pen your thoughts in the comments. Did today's monetary tale captivate you? Press like to applaud the narrative. Hungry for more financial fables? Subscribe and ring the bell, ensuring you're seated first for each tale. Wait, notice that video bookmark? It's a segue into another enriching chapter. Click, and let's continue writing your wealth story together until our tales intertwine again.